Hey everyone, let's build a cozy dinette with stainless steel top that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego Brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 6x6 plate. I'm going to set down 3 2x2 jumper plates in the center. Next, 6 2x2 flat tiles. I'm going to place 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. This is going to be our floor tiles. Next, let's place 2 studs on top of one another on the left jumper plate. Same on the right hand side with 2 more studs on this jumper plate. And a 1x1 round brick right in the center. Now for stools, take a 2x2 round plate with cross hole. On one end I'm going to set down a 1x2 plate. This is going to anchor down a minifigures to the bottom of the stool. And on the other side, a set of 1x1/4 round flat tiles. Now we're going to make 2 of these, and I want to set these right in the center tube. Place 1 on both sets of studs where the round is on the inside. For the tabletop, let's start with a 1x3 inverted 45-degree double slope. I'm going to set down a metallic shiny 2x4 flat tile. We're going to place these right inside the tubes. This is going to simulate stainless steel, and I want to place the inverted slope on top of the round brick. And it is scaled for minifigures. So here we have Jay the server. He can sit down and wait for that meal that will never arrive.